What if you no longer need all of this to make this? This is Ghost, the world's first model-free pressure former for dental appliances. Thousands of pins form the shape of each case, removing the need for models whilst keeping the proven thermoforming materials you trust. Fyous' polymorphic technology turns your digital case files directly into accurate thermoformed appliances, all without using a drop of resin. No printing, no curing, no toxic waste. Once each appliance is formed, the pins reset, ready to form the next shape. With a 5-minute cycle time and half the workflow steps, Ghost introduces a better way of working for dental labs. For high-volume labs, Ghost Plus offers 9 times the capacity, producing up to 180 appliances in a single batch. Polymorphic pressure forming represents a more sustainable, more affordable, and safer future for dental labs. Visit fyous.com/dental for more information.